Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about PHP function. So let's see what is it. The real power of PHP comes from its function. Okay, so let's start with the HTML code here. So here I am giving the title name as a functions in PHP. So a function is a block of statement that can be used in repeatedly in a program. Or we can say a function will not be executed automatically when a page is loaded. So here inside the body tag, I will mention one PHP code. So what is the another thing to define function is a function will be executed by a call to the function. So whenever we will get a call from a function, so the function will be executed over there. So that's how you can create it. So how to create a function? A user defined function declared start with the word function. So here we will start it by the function and we have to mention the function, and after that the code will be executed inside the bracket. So that's how you can create it. So I have given this here the comments about all the syntax, and let's start how can we do. So here I have given the function, and what is the function name I have mentioned? That is the greet. So inside the greet I will mention like what I need to print. So echo, I will mention the greet hello. Okay, so this is the greet I want to mention here. After writing that, how can you call the function? We should know how to call a function. So in that, I will write a greet of. So that means that I'm going to call this particular function. So let's see on the screen if this is going to work on. So see, the greet I have mentioned is already there. So that's the normal way you can write it. Let me write for 3 to 4 times. So you can see on screen it is coming for the 3 to 4 times, but it is coming in the single way. So if you want to create in a different form, what you can do, you just need to break and that will come into the different line. So that's how you can create a function in that. So the another way we can create is, see, as I mentioned here, as I told you also, function equal to greet name. Okay, I am going to mention new thing over here. So function equal to greet name I have mentioned. Here the values we can provide. What all the values you need to, you can write there, and inside the echo you can mention that. First we will provide the first name. Okay, so what is the first name we are going to provide? So inside the echo you will just write hello, or you can write anything you want to write. So here I have mentioned the hello dollar first name. Okay, so it will provide me the first name as a hello. Okay, so that's how you can provide it. After writing this much of things, next thing I'm going to write echo, and what is the break. Okay, so it will break that particular statement and the function of we don't need to write the function. What you will write, what is the function name, that is greet, and what is the name of that first name. So in that case you will just mention what all the things you have written. So I will just provide anything like the first name is Rahul. So it will provide me hello Rahul. Why is it not working? Some thing is missing. That is semicolon. So don't forget to provide semicolon. Why is it providing me two hellos? Because I have already mentioned the first hellos over there. That is why it is going to provide me the two hellos over there. So that's how you can write the in the form of, that's how you can give the values to a particular thing and you will be able to see that particular value in. So if I'm going to write the 2 times hello, I will change the second name, that is something SRK or like anything you want to write, and just provide the semicolon after that. And any other things you are going to provide, like more name, like I'm going to write Virat. So that's how you can provide. Now you can see I will get the different thing. So that is very easy to create the call. It is very easy to call function. You just need to write all the details, and then you just mention all the names you need to write. For a change, what I will do, I will provide the last name also. So what is the last name? You just need to do, after the value, just write the comma and the last name you are going to write. So Sharma I have written here. Inside the SRK I will mention Khan or Virat. After that you can mention what is the surname you require. For example, I will just like write Kohli here. So let's see if it is going to provide me like that or not. So first let me check everything, and here I have to mention the another thing, that is last name. So it will print the last name too. So now on screen you can see that it is going to print the last name too here. So we are having the last name here on the screen. So that's how you can provide the different kind of names you need to record. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.